Hello, we're looking at change of states today, and this is a key stage 3, which is a year 7 or 8 topic. And what we're doing is looking at what is the different states of changes, describing them using particle models, and looking at the key process that involve the different state of changes. So how do they go from one state to a different state? Before I move on, there are two more things I like to do. One is called sublimation, which is basically you can go from a solid straight into a gas, and you don't have to go into liquid. This can happen if you got potassium iodide particles and so on. And the opposite is deposition, where you go from gas straight into a solid state. In this slide, I'm trying to explain what the difference between evaporation and boiling is, because students really often get confused and reuse both terms in the wrong manner in science. If something is boiling, and the particles at the surface will have the highest energy so they can escape. But if you look at the diagram for the boiling, the bubbles of the gas formed below the surface of the liquid are only the ones that are moving. So there are two different concepts totally. Here are some questions for you to take a few minutes and test what you've learned so far. Make notes on them, and you can see the kind of questions that we have got. We're trying to summarize all the learning, and you can see the different terminology that I've explained to you. So please do use it as a revision tool. And just finally, to summarize our learning for today, if I was to start with the ice cube, which is in a solid state, I need to be melting it for it to go into a liquid, and then I need to apply heat for it to evaporate. And if I was to cool it down, it would be condensation, and because it's condensing the particles, so it's an ongoing process. So these are the states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The changes are when it goes from a liquid to a gas, and then reverses in the other way. I hope you find this useful, and please do use it. Like I said, it's mainly for key stage 3 students. Gives an understanding of states and matters. Please do subscribe and like the video.